So we're back. We were on vacation, Joanna and we are back. And now it's time to go looking around the lawn. So let me put on my shoes. A couple things I want to show you. So it's interesting. Check this out. So see the lawn? Pretty well did a good job. So the robotic lawnmower is mowed. So this is what I mean, folks. Doesn't mean that I want to use robotic lawnmowers, because today we're going to reel cut this lawn because this is not up to my standards, but it's beautiful. So what I'm getting at is they do have their purpose. Now you'll see along here, and I'm going to explain. We wet down all the edges. We're going to have 100-degree weather. We go around looking for all the burn marks and we water. So I'll explain some of the things I found. So here we got the edges. We got the concrete here. And the borders will all definitely give you a hard time. I watered all along here. And we watered all along here. So I sprayed it to keep the heat off, right? So what you're doing is you're trying to save water by watering only where you need it. So right there, all along here, there's a weed, I guess didn't get it. So this is a good time. You'll see a lot of your weeds come up because nobody's been addressing them. The good thing about cutting all the time, being consistent when you're gone, you're still going to get stripes, and you're going to keep a good lawn. Not too bad. So it's kept it pretty good and alive. Now I'm going to show you over here also. There's a lot of weeds that come up when you're gone. They grow really large. So we got a little bit right there. A little bit, not too much. So in this area, and I explained it in the shorts that I did, but this is POA, and this is coming up hard. We're going to clean that. And we didn't edge, so everything's kind of growing up and over. We get it. That's cool. We're going to clean all that up. That bush is overgrowing. We got to wait on that. So this is a little bit overgrown, but I think we're going to have grass go in between that. We're going to seed in there. I got a little POA there. We're going to kill that. That's going to be a whole video. See it? You can see it really well when the summer comes in and it starts dying off a bit because it stresses. It's got very shallow roots. So it's just doing a tour around the yard. I just wanted to do a quick rundown what we came home to, because this was part of my idea with the robotic lawnmowers. I know they're all over. I'm sick of seeing videos about them, to be quite honest with you. But they do, for people that like to mow their lawns, they do have a purpose. Now, let me show you another thing that happens. See right in there? See right there? What that is from is the windows, the sun. If you come out here and observe it in the middle of the day, you'll see the sun burn in there, and sometimes it burns in this area. So we've been addressing that with extra water, and we water it here, and that tends to go away. So all this looks pretty good, pretty clean. Point is we like to mow ourselves when we can, but man, do these things work good when you're gone. Look. So that just goes to show you how good it could do if it keeps cutting. See? Miss the spot. See how the map's a little weird? So what I'll do is I'll tell it to go straight and then learn that edge. But this is a big burn area. The heat is on this all the time. And I think it's partially because the tree I removed, it used to have some shade. So some of this grass is going to die off. See right there? We're going to do a leveling job right there. We're going to do some leveling here. But I don't want to do it in the super heat, and I want to bring up the grass. So maybe we'll skip mowing this in the next couple days, and then we'll level it so the grass tips are up. But that's going to be done. That'll be addressed. The gardens have never even been done. Weeds are taking over. I got to clean that up. So we're back. I'm excited to be back, of course. I love seeing the grandchildren. It was amazing. These kids are fun, man. I forgot what it's like. And man, are they lovable. We had a great time, Joanna and I. We missed you guys, of course. Missed all the comments. So even though this is all cut, we're gonna nip it with the reel cutter. All right, so it's funny. People think that my lawn's perfect for them, but being into lawn, you want to make it as good as you can, right? So we're going to reel cut in that direction possibly. All right, let's get to it. Let's try to get this lawn cut before it turns to 110 degrees. So since I'm waiting for 9 o'clock, I guess I could address all the killer weeds that snuck in. Look at that sucker. What the heck is that? Look at that. That's almost like a flower. And we got some nutsages. Came popping right through. The whole gardens look like a mess. A little nutsage there. I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to mow it down. It's not enough to dress in this heat. If I try to kill it now, it'll kill it, but it'll probably take out some of my lawn. But not too much, actually. See it? See a little. So this is the worst that we got this year. Not too bad. But you see how the low right there? If I leveled that up, you wouldn't have that type of grass in there. The nutsage would not live in that area. And there, you see the geodrops kind of dug in. They've been working okay. We're going to do a video on that, but they dig in. They're fine. And, yeah, the lawn looks pretty good. Not too bad. The concrete naturally kills this. We're going to scrape this out and put some kind of sealer in there. This happens every year. It looks real ugly. I'm going to weed whack that dead grass out of there. We're hanging in there. Thing is, you got to cut consistently. If you don't cut consistently, the lawn will stress out. So you can go as low as you want. People say you can't. I won't do the edges because I don't want them to burn. And we'll pull some weeds because we're not going to go crazy. Got a little bit of weeds there. See them? Not too bad though. I'll tell you, this GS program is working pretty good, getting me through the summer. I'll put down the next application tonight when it cools down. So in the middle of the summer, got back from vacation and my lawn's still here. Can't ask for much more than that. All right, let's get to cutting. Double back on the lights. It's a hot day, so these stripes aren't burnt in yet. They'll get better and better as we go if we keep the same direction. Right now the mower was doing the other direction, so you can see some striping going this way. Kind of breaking it up a little, but as you can see, it's starting to look real good. And it's not bad. It's holding together. And then we swirled that. Looks pretty cool. It's not super green, it's burnt, but it still stripes up good. And you can go low if you just keep it consistent. We'll be out here in one more day, 2 more days cutting again. Well, thanks a lot for joining us today. This is after coming home from the vacation, kind of showing you a little recap of how the auto mowers work. They do an okay job. They keep your lawn under control and show you how we get back to striping in the middle of the sun. Now, today's going to be probably over 100 degrees. I may even hand water a little bit of this, just a little extra after I cut it, but it's pretty good, surviving pretty well. I think the GS products and the system we've been using and cutting consistently with both the robotic mowers and the reel mower helps a lot. And this is how you keep it green, folks. Well, thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps a lot. Get it going. I appreciate it. We hit over 7,000 members, and I appreciate every one of you. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.